Hey guys, so I decided to try to start making videos to kind of explain your assignments and what I'm expecting of you for the week. So I know that some of you guys really struggled with last Friday's attendance, and I did make a video for that, but I want to show you kind of what I'm expecting for the week. So you'll see a homepage for me because this is my personal page for me to kind of get used to Canvas and kind of messing with trying to figure out how do I want to do your assignments. So you guys will not see the homepage. So this week, okay, so today's Monday, I want you to go to your modules, okay? The easiest way to just do my class is to do through your modules because that's the way I have it set up. Okay, so you guys see week 2 plant and animal science. Okay, that's what your class you're in. So you're going to click on Monday. Okay, so you will see Monday and I have the instructions. I want you to read the article and then write a 3 to 5 sentence summary on an article. Okay, be sure to check your grammar. Okay, you have to understand that I don't have authorization because I'm the one that created the assignment. So, and it's not in my class. I have it set up for my class. Okay, so I need to authorize my email account, okay? But I'm not going to do that because I told you what you got to do. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my modules. We're going to see Tuesday's assignment. Alright, so here's what you're going to do. So Tuesday's assignment, you have these questions, okay? So you see where you have to enter your first and your last name, and then you're going to go through the Google form, and then you will click submit at the bottom, and I'll show you. Submit. They're not long questions. Okay, you're going to click submit. You can send yourself a copy. That's up to you. You just click it and it'll turn on, and then you'll click submit, and then you have to go up here and click submit assignment as well. Okay, so that is Tuesday. And then Wednesday, you're going to click on it. Okay, so then you have another article to read. This one we will talk about in depth. I hope we get to talk about it in depth anyway. So you will read and answer the questions that go along with the assignment. And then you'll go back to modules. And then you'll have Thursday's assignment, which is Google Forms. Okay, so then you'll see this. Okay, so then again, you'll click and submit and submit assignment. This article is really good to start out our curriculum in, but I want you to kind of get familiar with some things first. And then we have Friday's assignment. Okay, so Friday's assignment is you are to pick one of the 2 articles this week. Once you have picked one of the articles, then you're going to submit a paragraph summary of the article that you choose to do. The paragraph should be well constructed. Someone who reads your paragraph should be able to understand the article without even reading the article. Okay, so I want you to explain the article in enough depth that if I've never read the article, I would know what you're talking about. And then of course you're going to click submit assignment. Okay, you have to do either a text box or a file upload. Alright, so if you have any questions about any of the assignments, just shoot me an email on Canvas, and then I'll answer and try to help you out.